And before we start the video, I would like to express a big thanks and special shout out to Coons Ford of Annapolis, located in Annapolis, Maryland, for allowing me to come out and film the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI Sport Wagon. 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI Sport Wagon. And this one does have a pretty typical newer style Volkswagen flip key fob. Here's a shot of your 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. And this one is finished off in a gray exterior with their LED turn signals in the mirrors. And this one is equipped with the Smart Key Access package. Keeping the key fob near the exterior of the vehicle, using this touchpad depression portion on the door handle, you can lock and unlock the vehicle. That locks the car. After waiting a second, just press it again. Grab behind the handle, and the car automatically unlocks. And this one does have a black leather interior. And along with that Smart Key system, does come push button ignition. To start the Jetta Sport Wagon, all you have to do, put your foot on the brake and press the dash mounted button to start. Starts up perfect. Has a 3-spoke, leather-wrapped steering wheel. As well as an automatic transmission. This is just an aftermarket shift knob. You gotta lift up to put the vehicle in gear with your foot on the brake. Emergency brake. It's going to come on the headlights, the hazards. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Let's go ahead and check out the exterior, shall we? For those of you that have never seen the Jetta Sport Wagon or ever heard of the TDI, and for those of you that know a lot about Volkswagen, you would know why this car is so special. Normally, this is just a Jetta and I wouldn't do a video on it, but because it's a Jetta TDI Sport Wagon from this generation, this being the facelifted Mark V version, this is basically just a Mark VI front end with a Mark VI interior with a Mark V shell of a Jetta, if that makes sense. So basically, this car is so special because Volkswagen lied about their emissions, and this is the car that got caught. They pulled the Golf TDIs, the Audis TDIs, the Volkswagen Passat TDIs, and the regular Jetta TDIs. These cars are so rare. They didn't sell a lot of them, and they're dirt cheap because nobody wants them, but the dealerships fix them up from the emissions problem, and then they just sell them again. So it's pretty much a no-brainer to buy one of these. Reliability, safety, and extremely practical. Let's go and check out the trunk. Storage under there, as well as over here and over here. This car is extremely clean on the inside. So check out the back seat. pretty spacious back here. Just imagine a Jetta back seat. I've got pretty much a good amount of room. Two air vents, as well as an AC home style power outlet. Fold down center armrest with a ski pass through. You just simply pull that down with two cup holders. The full armrest is fully leather as well. And a really cool option that the more well-equipped models had was the panoramic sunroof. I've always loved panoramic sunroofs. I think they're so cool. It's always just so cool to while you're sitting in the back seat, or even just imagine a regular sunroof would probably end about here, right? But the panoramic moonroof goes all the way to here and has one for the back passengers, which is super cool. And it's also closable if you don't want to see it at some point because it's raining or it's dark. Who knows? But it's fully cool to have, and it's really adjustable to your circumstances and what you're liking. So the rear windows are currently locked right now. If you just go ahead and press that, you can now, they are fully automatic, up and down. As well as your door lock controls right here, and your door handle controls. There's also a speaker right here and right here in both of the rear doors. With an LED map light. Typical Volkswagen fashion. The sun visor does fold. And like I mentioned, you can close the panoramic moonroof. And that controls the lights. This one does have navigation. Cool feature is it does have voice control. Climate controls. Temperature. And it does have heated seats for both of the front passengers. They are 3-stage. Recycling, air conditioning, defrost. And like I mentioned, your automatic shifter, traction control off, a 12-volt power outlet down here. Large opening glove box. With your media input for like an iPod or something like that, as well as storage in here. It is also fully adjustable armrest. Very descriptive gauge cluster. The speedometer goes all the way up to 160. And this one does just have over 88,000 miles. Let's go ahead and step back out. So this generation ran from 2009 to 2014 before all of the Jetta wagons were pulled from being sold. This being a 2012 model, this does have the different wheels. These also are available on the more sporty trim levels as well as the more higher up trims. The 2009 model actually had the Mark V front end. Let's go ahead and see how this one sounds. That's going to conclude our in-depth tour, walk-around, startup, and exhaust clip of the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI Sport Wagon.